iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus launches as new affordable flagship smartphone for games and more. iQOO has unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. This new device joins the company's growing Z9 series, including the Z9s and Z9X models. While the latest edition shares many similarities with its predecessors, it boasts a more powerful processor and a larger battery capacity. The Chinese company Vivo knows how to surprise its loyal audience. Thus, the world-famous developer presented one of the most inexpensive smartphones based on a truly top-end chipset. Surprisingly, the phone turned out to be balanced even with a limited cost price. The appearance of the new product is almost identical to that of the model without the plus index, which is difficult to consider a minus. Thin display frames with an under-screen fingerprint scanner, a stylish dual-camera unit, a back panel stylized as leather, leave positive emotions. The colors of the monoblocks have changed, which will appeal to many users. Of course, the use of polycarbonate instead of metal and glass can be criticized, but the material is well chosen. It collects scratches slowly. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. This panel offers a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It also has a peak brightness rating of 4,500 nits. These specs should result in a viewing experience that is clear, smooth, and incredibly bright. In terms of design, the smartphone showcases a sleek, flat frame. There is a distinctive squircle camera island on the rear, which is present in most of the iQOO Z9 phones. Furthermore, it is equipped with IP65 certification, ensuring protection against water and dust. The technical characteristics include the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus CPU, 12GB 16GB of RAM, and the Mali G720 Immortalis MP12 video core, which scores significantly more than 2 million points in the AnTuTu benchmark. Of course, such results also indicate the outstanding gaming capabilities of the gadget. You can try out the huge worlds of Genshin Impact and Honkai, Star Rail with maximum graphic presets and an extremely stable frame rate. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus runs on Origin OS 4, which is based on Android 14, providing a smooth and feature-rich user interface. To enhance performance, the device also incorporates the brand's self-developed Q1 chipset. Additionally, a large 6K VC liquid cooling system is on board to effectively manage heat dissipation. The energy efficiency of the processor, coupled with a giant 6400 mAh battery, creates an autonomy of 9 to 10 hours of active screen time. Fast charging with a power of 80 watts is in place. Of course, the technological unit could not do without the corresponding internal storage of 256GB, 512GB of UFS 4.0 format. The photo capabilities are slightly behind other parameters of the phablet, but they cannot be scolded either. If the 8-megapixel wide-angle lens is quite simple, then the 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 photo module with hybrid stabilization does not give an even-to-evening photo sessions. Of course, the shots are simpler in detail than those of photo flagships, but there is very little noise and blur. For selfies, there is a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The stereo sound is loud, voluminous. You can enjoy watching your favorite movies on the road. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus packs 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, IR blaster, NFC, and USB-C port. iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus has unprecedentedly added a flagship chip to the Z series, which, together with the aggressive performance scheduling, can bring you an excellent gaming experience. 6400 mAh ultra-thin blue ocean battery can also help you say goodbye to battery life anxiety. There are also upgrades to the screen, appearance, network, and more to make the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus's performance more balanced. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.